Good day everyone. A lot of people ask about steering wheels, reproduction steering wheels, and how they look and quality. So here they are, really nice quality. I have them in stock. So if anyone needs one, please contact me directly because I don't have them on website. I need people to contact me so we can talk about the shipping. It's expensive item, so I don't like to just make a purchase over website and then ship it. I need to confirm like shipping and everything and payment details and stuff like that. So, but as far as the quality, they are beautiful, beautiful steering wheels. Very high quality. So I have them in stock. You can go through my website to take a look at the pictures, AMCPartswarehouse.com. You can email me as well, AMCPartswarehouse@yahoo.com, and AMCPartswarehouse.com is the website.